I did lose power last week. It was only for, I'd say, about 20 hours, so I feel fortunate. There are folks below me. We're actually live at In-Car in the parking lot in South Boulder. There are folks in the Table Mesa neighborhood below us that are still without power this morning. In fact, there are pockets around the Boulder area of residents who still do not have power at this hour. Now, I did check Xcel's website, and it said that the power should be restored to all Boulder customers by midday or shortly thereafter today. So again, that is an estimated time. I can tell you that the winds have been picking up. When we started our live reports at about 5 o'clock this morning, the winds fairly calm. They did pick up. We're certainly feeling a pretty decent breeze out here right now. But again, as you mentioned, and we've been talking about, Katie's been talking about throughout the morning, there is a red flag warning, so high fire danger, that does go into effect at 8 o'clock this morning and last until 5 o'clock. The issue will be, once again, those wind gusts, which is kind of what we're feeling right now. Every so often, we get a gust of wind coming through. We're not talking about the 70, 80, 90 mile per hour wind gusts that we experienced on Friday, but no question these winds are gusting strong. We easily could get 60 mile per hour wind gusts in this area. So again, fire danger is going to be high, not just because of those winds, again, gusting up to about 50, 60 miles per hour, at times 70 miles per hour in the foothills, but also because we have very dry conditions. The grasses are tinder dry right now, and we are talking about record heat. Temperatures in the 70s. You have a recipe just to spark with these conditions, even with fairly consistent winds of a fast-moving wildfire. So again, that threat continues throughout the day today. We will stay here. We're going to be here throughout the morning. We'll keep you posted on the situation out here. For now, though, we'll send it back to you guys in the studio.